Welcome! In this video we'll walk through how to set up your SessionLab Business account as a workspace owner or admin. We'll cover how to customize layouts, categories, branding, manage your team, enable discoverability and opt into AI features. First up, to add someone to your account, you must first add them to a team or workspace, and we use the terms team or workspace interchangeably to denote the area where all the content you create is stored. Now, it's helpful to include team members who regularly create agendas, as being part of your paid account allows them to design new sessions and invite collaborators without those collaborators needing to be members of your account. Also, being a workspace member allows them to access your templates and all other sessions on the workspace, while session collaborators can only access the specific sessions they're invited to. So go to the team section, select the workspace you want to manage, then click on the members tab. You can invite new members one by one using the Add Member button, or share the invitation link so that anyone who clicks on it will join this team automatically when they next sign in. Your business subscription includes multiple workspaces, so you can repeat this process for each one. If you need more seats, go to the account section, then click on company members and select add seats. You'll be able to do this directly here if you pay by card, but if you pay by invoice, just contact the SessionLab team and we can help you adjust your seat count. Now, in the company members section, you can see all the members across all of the workspaces in your business account. You can check how many workspaces or teams they belong to. You can view how many sessions they've created, and you can remove members from your organization here if needed. This will remove them from every workspace and release their seat for someone else to use. You can also make your workspace discoverable to make it easier for new team members to find and join. You can whitelist your organization's email domain in this section, and when someone with that domain signs up for SessionLab, they'll be prompted to request access to your workspace, and admins can either approve or reject that request. However, if you want the members of your workspace to be automatically added to your account, or you want to enforce an SSO login for all users from your domain, then you can configure your SSO setup in your workspace settings and instead leave the domain whitelisting option here empty. To enable SessionLab's AI features that can help speed up your work in all stages of your workflow, head to the AI settings section. Here you can enable the AI assistant for your team and add some custom guidance, so the AI assistant follows your team's workshop design principles. Once enabled, the AI assistant can help you to import existing agendas, generate a full session from scratch using prompts, refine or restructure content, and adjust the tone, length and placement of breaks. Now, keep in mind that your workspace owner needs to opt in before these features become available. Next up, make your workspace feel like your own. So go to your workspace settings and you'll see the section at the top are the overall settings for the business account, but underneath is where you adjust your settings for each workspace within your account. One of the key benefits of a business account is that you can have multiple workspaces under your account, which is a great choice if you have different teams using SessionLab in your organization. So let's open up the team settings section, and here you can adjust the name of this workspace and upload the logo for your team, which replaces the default SessionLab logo at the top right of your exports. If you have multiple workspaces, adding a logo is a good way to visually distinguish sessions later on. You can also set a round profile logo that appears next to methods in your team library, and that gives your workspace a consistent and professional identity. To bring clarity and consistency to your sessions, you can define or rename default block categories to make it easy to understand the style and interaction mix of your session at a glance, and you can assign colors to these categories that match your brand or preferred palette. Below that, you can ensure that every new session starts with the same structure by defining the default column layout for the session planner. So here you can rename or reorder the columns, or choose which columns should be visible by default. This ensures your whole team works with a consistent layout when creating sessions, and these column and block category sessions are only applied for this specific workspace. You can have different defaults for different workspaces within your business account. And that's it. You're now set up with a fully branded, structured and discoverable workspace. With AI enabled and your team on board, you're ready to start creating consistent, efficient and professional sessions.